Install, Utilities, to change sensor cassette and the solution pack. So go to Install. If you want to change cassette, you need to select cassette. If you want to change solution pack, you need to select solution pack. Okay, please take out this old, it is giving you the instructions. Please latch out to release lower solution pack door, remove the solution from the analyzer, discard the used pack. Okay, to do it, you need to press it down, so automatically this door will open and you can able to remove the old one. Okay, and then this is the new one. Okay, so for a new one you need to remove this and insert this and press it. So solution pack install completes. Okay, expiry date is this, so 2nd February 2025. Press OK to return the menu. So automatically it will go for 2-point solution. For a 2-point calibration, solution will be taking from this only.